Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am getting ready to go to the store and do some moving. I have to, well, I'm not going to the store and moving, but I'm going to a store because I have to get some boxes, like probably like Lowe's. We are pretty much all packed up. I kind of told you a little bit in a different vlog that I'll put right here that we were moving and we were gonna, you know, be dealing with all of that. So I'm gonna go to the store and get some stuff, and then I'm gonna come back, and I just have to pack up our room from where we're living right now at my in-laws, and then I'm gonna go show you the house. Basically, we found a house. It's a 4-bedroom with a 2-bath. It's really nice. So I grew up in a trailer park when I was really young, and then I moved into like a manufactured home, which if you don't know, that's like 2 trailers like put together. And so it's like, it's just bigger. I have nothing against people that live in them at all, but I feel like there is like a stigma around them, and it's kind of hard because, you know, they really are nice homes, but there is a stigma for some reason when you live in them. And I really hate that there is that stigma, just because I feel like they're great homes. And so that's what we're going into. Not a trailer, but a manufactured home is what we're moving into. And I was kind of at first like, oh, I don't even want to like tell anybody, just because, like I said, like, it's not really that I'm like ashamed of it, because I'm not. I just think that there's that stigma around it, and it's like, I don't want to be looked at for that stigma. But then I was like, you know what, I don't even care. I don't care what people think. This is my journey, or my family's journey, and this is where we're at. And I'm happy because it's like, this is really gonna be a great move for us. It's a neighborhood that only has manufactured homes, so there's no like trailers. So it's a little bit different than like a trailer park. It's in a really, really nice area here in Michigan. It's actually like a really expensive area, which is funny because we're living in a manufactured home, but it's a really expensive like area here in Michigan, and they've like built it up so much. So it's just like really, really nice. There's literally like everything around there. So I'm super excited for that. But anyways, I just wanted to tell you before I show you the kind of house that we're going into, but I'm so excited about it. I'm like, I can't wait. We're moving in tomorrow, so I don't know if this is gonna be like a 2-part vlog or just a 1 video, but anyways, I'm gonna take you along for the ride. So I'm gonna get going and we're gonna go to Home Depot. Sorry if the camera's shaking. It's like sitting on my car. I don't have like a spot to put it on, and sorry about the lighting as well. I'm like under a tree in my car. So all right, let's just get going, and I'm super excited that you guys are gonna come along on this journey with me. If you like these type of vlogs, and I mean, I don't really do moving vlogs, I'm more a makeup YouTuber, but if you like these type of vlogs, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. But yeah, let's just get going with the day. Hey guys, okay, so I just went to Home Depot. Oh my gosh, this lighting is horrible, but I just went to Home Depot and I got the boxes that I needed. So I'm gonna go in Big Lots right now because I wanna look at their couches. We actually sold our couch and love seat, and so I'm gonna go there and just see what they have and the deals that they have. So I will show you inside. Okay guys, I found a couch that I literally love. It's right here, and I'm just talking with someone because they're gonna try and get it ordered for us. This is the one I want. It's so cute. So we're gonna get this and then like the love seat style. So I'm super, super excited. I love it. I just think it like even looks good with that blue. I just love it. Yeah, it's a pretty good price too. It's only like $3.20 or something. So we're gonna get that, and then it comes with a love seat as well. So, well, it doesn't come with it, but they have a love seat as well for it. Hey guys, okay, it's been literally a hot minute since I talked to you last. Earlier today, I got our couches. I got like a ton of other stuff because they had really, really good deals at Big Lots. Now I just loaded up my car. It is insane. Like, one of my kids is there. One is way back there. Say hi, Nat. Say hi. And now we are heading to my house. So I will show you guys when we get there. Okay, so this is when we walk in. Okay, so the one thing that I didn't like about this place initially was there's brown trim everywhere. I just like can't stand the brown trim. That's the one thing I don't like, but otherwise I like it a lot. This is the living room. It's definitely giving like a pinkish tone. Let me see if I can change the settings. Okay, there you go. See, that just shows what a camera setting will change things, because now it definitely looks a little bit more true to color. So this is the living room area. Nice light here, and then you come in here. And this is our master bedroom here. Then we've got our walk-in closet. There's a light. There's the walk-in closet. Oh my gosh, I can hear my kids screaming outside. And then here's our bathroom. So, looks like so super cute. And then this is the shower area here. It has 2 seats in there. It's pretty nice. It's pretty big. And then we come back through here. I'll take you through here first. This is our laundry room area. So the washer and dryer has to be delivered. But yeah, it has kind of like this little corner like thing right here for storage. And then I don't know what they're gonna do because this is huge. Like a washer and dryer will probably come out to like here and there's still room. So I'm like, I don't know if they're putting a sink in or what, but we're still trying to figure that out. And then back here, it's kind of nice because a lot of these homes back up to other homes and ours backs up to like a woods area, and then you have this whole backyard as well as like the side yard. So that's that. And then this is the kitchen whole area. I love this little island. I love that it has like a plug here. Oh my gosh, my hands are glistening. The countertops are, if it'll focus, just like a nice like grayish white. The dark cabinets are definitely not my favorite. I wish everything was white and more like bright and airy. But yeah, you have like all this cabinet space, and since it's a new house, every single appliance is brand new. That's really nice. And then this area is ginormous. Like it's a dining room, but it's literally like a second living room. I don't know why it's so huge. Like they could have, and by the way, like all this is not staying there. It's just what I have there right now. I don't know why it's so huge, but yeah, we have a white farmhouse table that's gonna go there. And then there's 3 rooms over here. So this is the first room. This is gonna be the girls' play room. And there's a little closet. And then this is the second room. This is gonna be my makeup room because I want like the light to be able to shine in on me. And then we have another closet. I started putting some of their clothes in there. And then this is the third room. This is gonna be their bedroom. Yeah. I was like, wait, isn't the other one gonna be their bedroom? This is gonna be their bedroom, and then same thing, same type of thing with the closet. And then here is another bathroom. So this is basically the same looking as the other one, just a bathtub instead. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I am like so happy with all of it. Like I love it so much. I'm so excited. So I'll probably show you more as I'm like bringing, holy moly, bringing some stuff in the house and everything, but I'm just gonna unload. And yeah, my couches are gonna be here soon so we can see the couches. They're playing hide and go seek. My friends are coming over now. They want to see our new house, and we were supposed to have a play date anyways, so they're just gonna come here. Oh my God, there's so much chaos. I have so much stuff in here. Let me just show you like what I have going on. There's just so much stuff that I need to put away. I'm so tired though. I don't want to do any of it, so I'm just gonna show you. That seems more fun to just like show you what I have. So yeah, in the living room, I brought in all this stuff. So we have like a couple boxes of clothes, and then this is like a little container of just like random hair and beauty stuff. And then this is like another random box of stuff, their chair, and then I bought all these groceries right here. So yeah, I have all that stuff to put away, and I'm just like, I don't want to do any of it. I'm so tired. My feet hurt so bad. I have been out literally all day. That's how it feels. I went to my chiropractor this morning, and then I had to go and get boxes from Home Depot. Then I went to Big Lots and I found the couches, and I was there for like a couple hours dealing with all of that. Then I went home, packed up our homeroom, packed it all in boxes, packed up my whole car, and then came here. So tired. I feel like this is gonna be a really short vlog. I am gonna show you the couches when they get here. This is why I don't vlog when my kids are around, because they're so loud. I do have friends coming over, so I don't wanna be like vlogging while they're here. So yeah, it's probably gonna be a really short vlog, but I just wanted to show you guys the house. I definitely will be doing like a house tour once everything's like, you know, here and nice. But I can do like some more vlogs tomorrow of like us moving and everything. So maybe I'll just combine it so it's not such a short video, but we'll see. Oh, okay, I think my hair is looking kind of crazy, but we have the couches here. I had my friends just here, and so I didn't want to vlog or anything while I had company, but I'm gonna show you guys the couches. You can kind of see them behind me. Here they are. There we go. Okay, would not focus. So I'm gonna get like a light rug to put here to kind of give it some like contrast, because right now it's just like dark carpet, and these are, even though these are lighter, like it's just, it needs something to like help make it pop, you know? And then our TV is gonna go on that wall. So yeah, this is it. Let me know what you guys think of these couches. Got them at Big Lots and they were such a good price. So then we're gonna put an end table here and an end table over there. So I love it. I like the pillow color. I don't like the pattern pillows. I'm not gonna be keeping them. These are just what came with the couch. But I actually like these. They're like a velvet material. It's like really nice. And velvet's like totally in right now. So yeah, these are the couches. Let me know what you guys think, and depending on the length of this video will depend on whether I'm going to upload it or not. I really wanted to upload tomorrow morning because I'm trying to upload on Tuesdays and Saturdays from now on. So I'm gonna try and see what footage I have from today. Here, I have one right here, honey. I'm gonna try and see what footage I have from today and see if it's enough, and hopefully it is. And if you guys are curious, I wanted to talk about this because I feel like I didn't really address it earlier. That if, I know some people are probably like, well, why did you choose to go in this and not just like an apartment or whatever, like, or renting a house? Basically, like, for us, for the amount of money we wanted to spend, and there's like a couple different factors. The amount of money, the location, and the bedroom, like the space, this was like getting the best for our money. Where we were literally spending $30 more where I was just living. I'm not gonna tell you how much we're spending, but we were spending $30 more a month, and it was only a 3-bedroom, a 1.5 bath, and it was a townhouse, so it didn't have any yard, you know, no storage. Oh, because there is a like little shed out there too I wanted to show you guys, but I kind of forgot, and now it's really dark, so I don't know if I'll be able to show you. Yeah, there was like a storage, or there was no storage, no yard, and obviously you're like connected to someone. So I'm like, this is 4 bedrooms, we have a yard, we have a little shed thing outside, and like another big thing was you didn't have a laundry room where I was. Oh my gosh, I feel like my hair is just like not happening. You didn't have like a laundry room, you only had like a laundry closet, and I hated it. So this laundry room is so nice. Like, I'm just so excited. I'm so excited to like get everything in here and just see how everything looks. Ugh, I'm so excited to decorate, and decorate for Christmas. If you guys want like a Christmas decorating vlog, let me know, because I will like totally do it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna end this video just in case I do have enough like footage. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. If you're here just for like this moving vlog, normally I am like makeup, beauty type lifestyle vlogger. I don't normally do like lifestyle all the time, but I do it sometimes. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy, turn on your notifications and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think about the house down below, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.